Hey everyone, I suppose you have clicked this video on seeing the title. So, are you already excited to know some techniques to study any text without reading it once, or the cheat technique to write A+ answers without studying? Because
I don't like to study, studying's not what I do. But if I fail my test, my mama going to use Kung Fu.
that's bullshit. So, this is Ipshita, currently pursuing my Masters in English Literature and your host for today. So, without further delay, let's get started. So, today basically we will be focusing on other options for studying other than just reading fat classics and books. Because we will make boring study into less boring and more fun. Suppose you only have a week left before the exam, then definitely it's not the ideal time to read line by line texts, because 1. You won't be able to complete syllabus in such short time, and 2. Fast reading will make no sense if you can't identify the important key topics, themes and motifs which are really very important for exams. 3. Reading textbooks are kind of boring. And do you know, exam questions only come from the 20% of the entire syllabus. Our challenge for today is finding that 20% without studying. So, can we do it? Survey says we intend to remember anything better and much longer if we perceive it through audio visual. For the better understanding, I will categorize not reading into 4 parts. Try to look at other versions of your text, especially a movie or film adaptation. It can be and is a lot more fun. Just seeing the movie visually, it's like rereading or reading a text. You can see things in sequence and events and can remember it much longer. So let me share with you a story. Actually, I saw the film version of Othello where there is a scene, perhaps a conversation between Othello and Desdemona, and Emilia was still on the screen while their conversation was going on, and I missed it while reading. So I rechecked the text again, and yes, she was in the original version too, which I missed it while reading. So seeing it happening on screen really helped me understanding in depth.
Heaven forgive us. I cry you mercy then.
Now let's take movie is not there available or formed on the particular topic, but still you have this right now where you are at, YouTube. Don't just use it for entertainment purpose only, use it productively. Trust me, search for any topic, you will get a long list of discussions on it, whether it be summary, theme, background, anything. You can also find study topics in your regional language.
इस कहानी की शुरुआत होती है इटली के एक शहर वेनिस की.
Next category is only audio mediums. In English literature, we have to study a lot of classics from 14th to 19th century to contemporary even. There are many free audiobook apps for reading classics where you can listen to any books of your choice from your syllabus freely. So, if you don't want to read the novel, listen to it where someone is reading on your behalf with proper tone and expression. By that, you will get to know the conversation of the characters better and understand the tone of talking.
Scene 3. Venice, a council chamber.
Indeed, they are disproportioned. My letters say 107 galleys.
And mine 140.
And mine 200.
You can also speed up or lower the audio speed to understand better by your preference. Making mind maps, character chart, plot structures will help you minimize the entire text in a diagram. Make reading fun. After all this seeing and listening of the audio visuals, you will definitely develop a vague, if not clear idea about the text. Now it's time to test your brain that how much you have understood and retained information by solving puzzle and quizzes.
For literature quizzes, go to Great Saver website. Click on quizzes and test yourself. Here you will find MCQs from all over the text, and it's actually fun to test and get instant percentage of your memory. I took this quiz test and got 23 out of 25.
Survey says your brain remembers any information better in pressure. That's why before exam we remember anything faster. Let me know in the comment section if you want suggestions on movies, free audio notes or reliable channels on YouTube. Next is searching Google for literature websites. Okay, here you have to study a little bit because skipping the text is to be compensated by reading answers. अब 200 पेजेस का टेक्स्ट के बदले 4 to 5 पेजेस का गाइडेड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो पढ़ ही सकते हो ना, because in exam you have to write and read and form written answers on spot. So you need to get accustomed with the themes and topics which other literary scholars have made it easily available for you on these websites. So you have to do passive reading here. So that's it for today. I hope this technique of active recall, engaging audio visually and testing strategy will help you remember things longer and crack any question and answers in exam in better way. Enjoy different ways of reading and make it enjoyable. Thank you and take care. Until next time.